Good day everyone, I am Archie Ligurhillo from Base HM3C, and today I will be sharing with you what I have learned about the 1987 Philippine Constitution. So the 1987 Philippine Constitution is the supreme law of the land, created after the 1986 People Power Revolution that ended the dictatorship of Ferdinand Marcos. So it was written to restore democracy, protect human rights, and ensure that the power remains in the hands of the people. So one of the most important features of this constitution is the establishment of a democratic governance with three co-equal branches. So the first one is the executive, which is headed by the president and enforces the laws. So ang second kay ang legislative, nag-compose ini siya of the Senate and House of Representatives. So amo siya ang naghimo ng laws. And the third is the judiciary. Amo ini siya ang nagkuhan sa Supreme Court, which is nag-interpret siya sa law. So the Constitution also contains the Bill of Rights, which guarantees fundamental freedoms such as freedom of speech, religion, and the press, and protects citizens against abuse of power. So nag-promote ini siya ng social justice by supporting the rights of workers, farmers, indigenous peoples, and other marginalized sectors. So nag-emphasize sa ini siya ng importance of education, science, and culture, and encourages the protection of the environment and national resources for the benefit of Filipinos. So the Constitution also includes mechanism to hold public officials accountable, such as the Office of the Ombudsman and the Commission on Audit. So overall, the 1987 Constitution is a document that reflects the Filipino people's desire for freedom, equality, and good governance. So it serves as a reminder of our history and guide for building a just and democratic society. So in conclusion, the 1987 Philippine Constitution stands as a symbol of our freedom and rights, our shared responsibility as citizens of a democratic nation. So it reminds us that the power belongs to the people, and that every Filipino has a role in shaping a just